How to become Twitch affiliate. Hello and welcome to TechTube. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how you can become Twitch affiliate. Twitch affiliate is a program that allows qualified streamers to monetize their channel. Also, after being the Twitch affiliate, you can unlock new tools to build and grow your audience. So to get started, you will have to open any browser on your device and go to the official website of Twitch, twitch.tv. In the search bar, type twitch.tv and press enter to find it. Make sure you have logged into your account. After logging in, you will reach to this interface. Here at the left side, you will find 3 dots. Click on that 3 dots and you will access more menu. From the bottom under help section, click on this help option and you will be redirected to Twitch help portal. Here you can find various topics categorized. From here, select affiliated program. After clicking on it, here scroll down and there you will see Twitch affiliate program FAQ. Click on it and from here select eligibility. These are all the requirements or criteria that you need to be eligible to join the affiliated program. The requirements are like this. You will have to reach up to 50 followers and stream for 8 hours on 7 different days with an average of 3 viewers. If you meet all of these criteria, you will receive an invitation to apply to the program via your email or in your creator dashboard. Also, even if you are under 18, if your parent or guardian agree to the terms of this agreement, you can sign up for this affiliated program. So in this way, you can become Twitch affiliate. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.